Hi, this is Kevin McKillop from freedomtarget.com. Today I want to share with you how simple and easy it is to create awesome landing pages, squeeze pages, sales pages with this new theme called OptimizePress from Dyson. I have just installed it, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk through and show you how quickly I'm not a web developer, I'm not very good at it, don't even bother trying. As a matter of fact, for some of my products, I've had to get James, pay him specifically to make me a page because I can't do it. But he's taken everything that he knows and has tested and put it into an amazing theme that makes it as easy, terribly easy for somebody like me who is not a web developer to make an awesome page. So let me show you how quickly right now. I'm going to make a squeeze page right now. So I have WordPress open and I'm going to go add page. I'm going to add a new page. I'm starting over from scratch. You can see down here I have OptimizePress already installed on this WordPress installation. So I'm going to go add a new page. I'm going to give it a name. It doesn't really matter what I give it. Down here and the templates is where I'm going to select one of the available ones that comes with OptimizePress, and you can see there's tons of them. Now, James has documentation, which includes an index, which shows you visually what each one of these ones would look like, because it's a little difficult just to sort of look at those names and sort of remember them all. So highly recommend get the documentation, and then you can see exactly which one of these you want to use. I'm going to go with one I know. I'm going to go with squeeze number 5. So then I come down here and I have my squeeze page customization options. So I'm going to start off with what sort of bullet style would I like? Well, I would like to change this. I'm going to go to green plus bullet. Show pre-headline options. I want to have a pre-headline. So click that off and I put my text in here. So I'll paste that. I'll move down to show headline options and I'm going to put a headline in here. Paste that. Move on to show sub-headline options. Yes, I would like to have a sub-headline as well. So let's go ahead and put that in here. Continuing down. What else could we have? So activate video, we can do some options here. In this case, I'm going to activate the video, but I'm actually not going to have an actual video itself. I'm just going to put an image of a video because I want people to click on this image and it's going to have a pop-up and say, listen, you need to submit your email address before you can get the video. So I load up I browse, find my image, show headline below video options. No. Activate sidebar arrow. Yes, I want to have the sidebar arrow, and I'm going to try. Let's go static. Let's go animated red arrow. Show sidebar headline options. Yes, I want to have a headline on my sidebar, so I'm going to do this. Notice that you can put HTML code within the headlines, so I'm making mine. I'm going to make this bold. Show sidebar text options. Yep. Show spam notification options. Again, I'm going to fill this one in. And I've got all this text sort of ready to go, but I just made it up. And my web form. So this is where I'm going to place in my Aweber code so that when people opt in, they get added to my Aweber mailing list. So I'm going to go to Aweber. I've already loaded it up here. So here's my raw HTML version. I'm just going to copy and paste that into the web form code box here. Notice it will automatically pull information from there. So now I've got my names as emails. So I'm just going to quickly move that over here. Make sure those right. So I don't want to show your name. I'm only asking for your email address. So it says show email. Select the squeeze page button. So you've got different options here. You can use orange style, and then here's all the different orange buttons. You can do a red style button, and there's all the red ones, and then yellow. So I'm going to go with yellow, and I'm going to say send me the video. Template selector has the colors, so I can make some color changes here if I want to. Just pull up the box and it makes a nice little color picker. And I also have this thing cool here, so I'm going to say please enter your email address to receive the video. And that's it. I hit publish. And if I were to go preview it right now, I could see it. Now, I want to put some bullet points in here. So let's just take a look at it. That looks pretty impressive to me. That was fast. So let me put in a little bit more text here, and I'm going to fix it up. Just one more thing, it's something I like to do. So I need to put some bullet points in here. I'll paste my bullet points. So no styling or anything like this here. I just put it in. I've made it as a list item. But later on down here, I've selected what sort of bullet style effect. So I want the green plus bullet. I'm also going to change my font, and I'm going to change it to impact. So those are the two changes I've just made. It's going to do an update. And now I'll go take a look and preview my page. And now I have a killer squeeze page. There's my pre-headline, my headline, my sub-headline. I've got the video image here, and I've got my bullet points with my green little plus tick there, and over on the right, my opt-in. And when I click on the video, look what pops up. It says, please enter email address to receive the video. So I just created that squeeze page. You saw me, this must have been maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and I now have the killer squeeze page like that. You can add more information. There's 10 different squeeze themes. So let me show you some of the other ones. So let me just change the squeeze theme from squeeze 05 to, let's try number 1. And I go number 1, preview, instantly. I find that terribly impressive, and I highly recommend, if you're having to make any squeeze pages, any sales pages, get a copy of OptimizePress. James is going to be adding some more templates to it. He believes it and he loves this stuff. This is what he does, and it's that easy. Like I just did that right now. So go grab yourself a copy at www.optimizepresser.com.